Suppose that you have to download multiple files and create different worksheets and then put it back together in one single file. So let's have the example of the technology plugin number 2. If you go to Content, click on Excel, Technology Plugin, Data Files, and I'm going to download all the T2 files. Once I have them all in one directory, I'm just going to open all the files in Excel. And I click on Enable Editing in each of the files. So now I have all 3 files open, and I'm going to rename the worksheet with the name of the file. And I'm going to right click, this is the first file, I'm going to right click, move a copy, and I'm going to create a copy into a new book. So now my new book has a mischief worksheet, and I can go back and close the previous one. Now I'm going to go to music player worksheet or file and change that to music players. And then I'm going to right click on top of the worksheet, move a copy, and then create a copy. And I'm going to go to the book I already have, which is book 1, and I'm going to move it to the end or wherever you want to move it. Now my book 1 has mischief and music players, and finally I'm going to close the music players. Then I'm going to go to recycling cans, and I'm going to change the name to recycling cans, right click, move a copy, create a copy into the book where I have the other 2, and you can place it anywhere. And finally I'll go back and close that. So now my book 1 has all 3 worksheets that I'm going to work to create my technology plugin. So I'm going to save this workbook following the naming instructions in the Dropbox. And I think it should be Excel Small Project number 2. Save. Now I'm going to work on these files. I'm going to modify these files, and once I finish, then I go into the Dropbox and submit only one Excel file.